Good day, class. My name is Ijaiye Steven. I'm teaching mathematics, GSS. Our topic for today is substitution and change of subject of the formulae. Now, what is introduction? Formulae is an equation containing a variable that stands for specific quantities. The variables are usually represented by the letters. What mean by this formulae? That the plural of formula. It means in these variables we have more than one letter. It can be 2, the minimum should be 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. That we call what? The variable. Now, when you talk about substitution, means what? To replace one letter or a set of letters in an algebraic expression or formula with their numerical values in order to evaluate it. Now, this one means to substitute what? To replace a number with letter. The examiner or the teacher will give you what? The question. Based on what? On letter. And will give you what? The value. Let us go now. Example. Evaluate the following. A squared plus 3b when A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. B, 1 over P plus 3 over Q when P is equal to 6 and Q is equal to 5. C, A is equal to 2B minus 3D over 3B minus 2 when B is equal to 4 and D is equal to 2. D, the value of S in AC plus BK is equal to S when A is equal to 2, C is equal to 1 over 2, B is equal to 1, and K is equal to 3 over 4. This is the question given. Let us move forward to the solution. A squared plus 3b, the value of A is 2, the value of B is 4. We want to substitute what? A and B in the expression of this. Means that what? Anywhere you find what? A, you will replace what? You substitute by 2. This A half a square. It means these 2 must be what? 2 squared plus 3 times 4. That's the value of B. This one means we multiply what? Twice. 2 times. That 2 times 2 plus 3 times 4. 2 times 2 will give you what? 4 plus 3 times 4 it will give you 12. Add everything together, it will give you what? 16. B, 1P plus 3Q. Now, the value of P is given here now. P is 6, Q is 3. Substitute the value of P and Q in expression of given here. The expression is what? 1 over P plus 3 over Q. Now this one is form of what? Fraction. Before you can take any step, you need to look for what? The LCM. And if you want to know the LCM, the numerator will determine. The numerator, yes, we have 2. 6 and 5. This 6 and 5 will determine your LCM. Means LCM was the lowest common multiple. The lowest number that what? 6 can go, 5 can go without any remainder. And our LCM is 30. Therefore, the LCM is 30. 6 in 30 give you what? 5 times 1 plus 5 in 30 give you 6 times 3 this. You remove the bracket. 5 times 1 give you 5. 6 times 3 give you 18 over 30. Add 5 and 18 together, it will give us 23 over 30. This is the final answer. C. A is equal to 2p minus 3d over 3b minus 2. And the value of b is given here, and d. B is what? 4. D is 2. Now substitute for the value of b and d here in the given expression to find A. B, 2 is there, is given on the constant. B is 4. That was 2 times 4 minus 3 is there already. D is what? 2 times 2. All over 3 times 4 minus 2. This one is not carry any letter. 2 times 4 will give you 8 minus the sign is there. 3 times 2 will give you what? 6 all over 3 times 4, 12 minus 2. From here now, 8 minus 6 will give us 2. 12 minus 2 will give us 10. You cannot, this is a fraction form. This is a normal fraction. But 2 can still go there. 2 in this place, 1. 2 in this place, 5. So that the value of A is what? 1 over 5. D. D to our topic. That what we are based on the substitution and the change of subject of the formula. The two topics, they are the same father, the same mother. They are going together. That's the reason why here is the combination of the substitution and change of subject. Before I can take any steps, let us consider this question. This question says what? T is equal to V plus A over B. Make A the subject of the formula. Giving T is equal to 2, B is equal to 8, and V is equal to 10. The meaning of make A the subject of the formula, you want to make A to stand on its own without any parasite. If you stand on its own, where other number move to what? To the right hand side. On this topic, if any sign cross the sign of equal to, the sign will change. In case it's plus, move to another place, it's changed to minus. In case it's minus, move to another place, change to what? To plus. We can still call this sign as what? We call it border. That the sign must change. Now from here, I want to make A as the subject of the formula. T is equal to over 1 and is equal to V plus A over B. Cross multiply. 1 will go with V plus A, where T will move with what? We marry what? B. Multiply this one together. 8 and this will give us what? V plus A. It's equal to T times B. It gives us what? BT. Now from here, we are still going to what? Remember the question that what? Make A the subject. We still have what? V plus A. A must stand on its own. Now, to eliminate this one now, to remove this V, subtract V from both sides. That will minus the both sides by what? By minus V. V minus V plus A is equal to what? BT minus V. This one will cancel. Why? This one carries invisible plus and invisible minus. Invisible plus is there and invisible 1 is there in both. Just like 1 plus 1 minus 1, it gives us 0. The same thing with this one. Plus V minus V, it will cancel 0. Now, A is equal to BT minus V. A is already standing so now that what? We have already made A the subject of the formula. Now, remember, substitution and what? Change of subject, what they have to go together. When what? T is given, the value of T is 2, B is 8, and V is 10. Anyway, I found what? B, he put 8. T, 2. Minus V is 10. 8 times 2 give us 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10 give us what? 6. It means that what? The value of A in this expression is 6. This is another example. Make H the subject of the formula. V is equal to pi H, open bracket, capital R plus small r. These two, they are the same father but different mother. Why? This one is a capital R, where this one is small r. You cannot add it together. From here now, to make H as the subject of the formula means to make H stand alone. You need to divide both sides by pi r, open bracket, r, capital R plus small r. Therefore, this one gives us what? V over pi, open bracket, capital R with small r is equal to what? Pi H, open bracket, capital R over pi r, capital plus small r. Now, this and this, they are going together. This and this one will cancel this. This one will cancel this. Pi will cancel pi. This one will cancel this. It remains what? H. Therefore, H will give us what? V over what? Pi over capital R plus small r. Open bracket. This is what? We have already made H the subject of the formula. Now, according to this question, says when the value of R, capital R is 2, small r is 3, pi is 10, and V is equal to 5. You use this formula. V is 5 over pi is 10, open bracket, 2 plus 3. Therefore, 2 plus 3 gives us what? 5. 5 over 10, open bracket. Now, to remove this bracket now, you need to multiply the number inside the bracket with the number inside the bracket. Means that what? 10 times 5 will give us 50. That's what? 50 over 5 over 50. You cannot leave your answer like this because 5 can still go. 5 in this place, 1. 5 in this place, what? Is 10. The value of H is equal to what? 1 over 10. Now, from this now, practice questions. We need to practice this one. It covers all the examples we have done so far. Evaluate 3x plus 7y squared minus 17. Given when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to what? 4. B. Find the value of x squared plus y squared over z minus 1. And the value of x is given here. X is 6, y is 5, and z is 3. Number 3. Find the value of t, open bracket, s minus y over s plus y. The upper one, the numerator is minus, where the denominator is what? Plus. Consider that one. Giving s is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1 over 2. Number 4. Make B the subject of the formula. A is equal to 1 over 2 bs. This one is the formula to find what? The area of triangle. You need to make B the subject, that the breadth or the base. Giving A is equal to 10, H is equal to 1.5. Number 5. Given that A is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Express C in terms of A and B. This is the end of our lesson for today.